Have some more. Come on, I made plenty.
No.
And the whole table went silent.
Hey, welcome to Chat English. That one tiny word almost ruined a friendship.
It did. My friend cooked all afternoon. I said a flat no, and her smile dropped. I felt terrible for days.
So today, you'll learn how to say no warmly, so friends feel appreciated, not rejected. Let us show you the magic words.
Okay, so what should I have said? She offered me more food and I went blank.
Here's the magic. Instead of a flat no, you thank her first. Try this. I'm so full, but it was delicious.
Oh, so I still say no. I just wrap it in a compliment.
Exactly. The food was lovely. You loved it. You simply can't fit more. Your turn. Say it with me. I'm so full, but it was delicious.
I'm so full, but it was delicious. That already feels warmer.
And one more little word that works wonders. When you're really full, you say you're stuffed.
Stuffed. I love that one. I'm stuffed, but thank you so much.
See the difference? A flat no closes the door, but a warm no keeps the friendship open.
Because when I just said no, my friend didn't hear no thanks. She heard, I don't like your food.
Right. And that tiny gap is what hurts people. One cold word, and they feel rejected.
So warmth isn't just being nice. It's actually telling the truth about how grateful I feel.
Now here's where it gets interesting. What if she keeps pushing the plate at you?
Oh, that's the hard part. She slides the spoon closer, smiling, and says, come on, just one more little scoop.
And suddenly your warm no feels too small. So you need a slightly stronger one.
Stronger, but still kind?
Exactly. Try this. I couldn't possibly. It was lovely.
I couldn't possibly. That sounds so gentle. Like I'm almost sorry to say no.
That's the magic. I couldn't possibly means there's truly no more room, but you're saying it softly.
And it was lovely. That's me praising her cooking again, right?
Right. Lovely is a warm little word for something you really enjoyed. The meal was lovely. The evening was lovely.
So the gratitude does double duty. It protects the friendship and it closes the door politely.
Your turn. Say it slowly with me. I couldn't possibly. Now full speed. I couldn't possibly. It was lovely.
I couldn't possibly. It was lovely. Wow, I'd never feel rude saying that.
Feel how your shoulders relax saying it? That softness is the whole point.
They really do. It's an apology and a compliment in one breath.
And notice she can't argue with it. You haven't insulted the food, you've praised it twice. Here's the quiet truth. She didn't want your stomach. She wanted your appreciation. Give her that, and the spoon relaxes.
That's it. She just wanted to feel her cooking mattered.
Now, if this little move is already helping you, do me a quick favor. Tap like and subscribe so we can keep sharing these.
Yeah, because everyone has that one friend with the never empty spoon.
So true. Some kitchens never run out of love or potatoes. Okay, let's test you. Imagine that spoon hovering again. The third time now.
Third time, she's relentless.
She is. And here's the trap most people fall into. They cave and take food they don't want, just to be polite.
Oh, I've done that. Once I ate 2 extra servings just to be polite, smiled through it, then felt sick the whole drive home.
To be polite, that's the phrase. It sounds kind, but it teaches her to keep pushing.
I think I've been confusing kindness with eating everything offered.
Most of us do. Your fork isn't a thank you note. Your words are.
So what do I say the third time, when I couldn't possibly still isn't enough?
Ah, that's where we get a clever little escape line. Let me show you.
Okay, hit me with the escape line. The third no always feels the rudest of all.
Here it is. Instead of refusing again, you redirect. You say, could I take some home instead?
Oh, that's clever. You're not pushing the plate away, you're saying you want more, just later.
Exactly. The cook hears a yes hiding inside it. Her food is so good you want a second round tomorrow.
So one little word, could, changes the whole feeling.
That's the trick we're adding today. Could and would turn a wall into an open door.
A wall versus a door. Give me both so I can hear it.
Wall version. No more. Door version. I'd love to, but I really couldn't.
Same answer underneath. But the door one sounds so warm.
Because I'd love to tells her you wanted it. And I couldn't blames your full stomach, not her cooking.
Ah, the no isn't about her at all. It's about me.
Right. That's what softens it. You're full, she's still wonderful.
What about would? You keep saying I'd love to, but where else does it fit?
Wood makes a polite little request. Would it be okay if I took a plate home?
Oh, that's gentle. You're almost asking her permission, which makes her feel respected.
And cooks love that. You're treating her food like a gift, not a problem.
I love that. Would feels like I'm handing her the choice back.
You are. A flat no takes the choice away. Would it be okay? Gives it right back to her.
Last Sunday, I was so stuffed I had to undo a button under the table.
Stuffed?
Stuffed, packed completely full. Not one more bite would fit.
Perfect dinner word. And you can hand it to her warmly. I'm completely stuffed, but it was amazing.
So I could say, I'm stuffed, but would you save me some for lunch?
Beautiful. Stuffed, thank you, and a would, all in one breath.
See, the complaint and the compliment travel together.
That's the whole shape of a soft no, a little decline, wrapped in a big thank you. Let's lock the warmest one in your mouth. Slowly first. I'm so full. It was delicious, though.
I'm so full. It was delicious, though.
Now at full speed. Your turn, say it out loud with me. I'm so full. It was delicious, though.
That actually feels easy now. The compliment carries it.
It does. When the thank you is loud, the no becomes tiny.
So it's like a ladder from simple up to warmest.
Exactly a ladder. Step 1, plain and kind. I'm good, thank you.
Simple enough. Step two,
A little warmer. I'd love to, but I really couldn't.
and the top step, the warmest.
The redirect. Could I take some home instead?
And when I take a plate home, she gets to keep feeding me in her head.
Yes! Her cooking wins twice, tonight and tomorrow. That's why the redirect is so kind.
3 steps, and not one of them slams the door in her face.
And if she still keeps offering, you've got the gentle delay. Maybe later.
Maybe later. That buys you peace without any fight.
It's a soft, not now. Never a hard, never. She can keep her smile.
My old self would have just said no and watched the table go quiet.
And now, you've got 3 warm steps instead of 1 cold word.
3 warm steps. I can actually remember 3.
That's the goal. Easy enough to use while the spoon is still hovering over your plate.
Okay, I've got the tools. Now I want to test myself for real.
Good, because next, I'm giving you 3 replies. A, B, and C.
And I picked the one that protects the friendship.
Exactly. One saves the dinner, the other 2 quietly hurt. Let's see if you can spot which is which.
Wait, before I pick, give me one more tool. I feel like I'm missing something.
You've already got them. Those 2 soft words, would and could. Lead with the warm word, finish with the soft one. That's the whole secret.
Okay, now I feel armed. Hit me with A, B, and C.
Here they come. Picture the cook, spoon still hovering, waiting for your answer. Reply A. No. Reply B. No thanks, I'm full. Reply C. Honestly, I couldn't. It was lovely, though.
3 no's. And yet they don't feel the same at all.
This is your moment. Pause the video. Pick the one that protects the friendship and say your pick out loud.
Out loud, not just in your head. Don't be shy. Go ahead.
Did you choose? Good. Let's walk through all 3 together.
A is just no. We already know that one slams the door shut.
Cold and final. The smile fades, and the whole table goes quiet.
B, no thanks, I'm full. That one feels okay to me.
It's polite, sure, but it's a little flat. It thanks no one and praises nothing.
I think a lot of us would grab B because it feels safe.
We do. Safe isn't wrong. But the cook gave you their afternoon, and B gives nothing back.
So it's safe, but kind of gray.
Gray is the perfect word for it. Now here's C. Honestly, I couldn't. It was lovely, though.
And there's our couldn't again, the soft no doing its work.
And it was lovely. That's the compliment. Lovely just means the food was really, really good.
So C is doing two jobs at once. It says no, and it thanks the cook.
That's exactly why C protects the friendship. It thanks the cook and keeps it warm.
C gives something back. It hands the warmth right back to them.
Say C with me, slowly first. Honestly, I couldn't. It was lovely, though.
Now at full speed. Honestly, I couldn't. It was lovely, though.
Feel the difference? The cook hears lovely, not no.
If you picked C, you just saved the dinner. If you didn't, no worries. Say C one more time and let it settle in.
Because the best reply isn't the shortest one.
It's the one that leaves the cook smiling.
Now, leaving the cook smiling sounds easy on a quiz. Real tables are trickier than any quiz.
Way trickier. Because a good cook almost never asks just once.
So picture it. You gave your warm reply, she smiled, and then the spoon comes right back.
Just a little more, she says. My old self would crumble. A weak, okay, fine.
And then you're eating food you didn't want, feeling worse with every single bite.
Exactly. So let's practice the second no. Same warmth, just a little more steady.
Here's a fresh one. Listen for the clever trick hiding inside it.
I really couldn't, but could I take some home instead?
Did you hear it? Could I take some home instead? You're not closing the door. You're moving the meal to tomorrow.
Say it with me, slowly first. Could I take some home instead?
Now at full speed. Could I take some home instead?
And notice the cook still wins. Her food leaves with you. Nothing she made gets wasted.
That little word, could, does all the work. You're asking gently, not fighting back.
Notice the secret thread in all these lines. Those two soft words, would and could.
They quietly turn a hard no into a gentle little request.
That's why every warm reply we've practiced feels like an offer, not a wall.
And here's the beauty. You never have to learn 10 new phrases. A handful, used warmly, covers almost any table.
There's an even shorter one for when you're caught off guard.
Maybe later. I'm so full right now.
Maybe later. Soft. It keeps the door open instead of shutting it in her face.
One warning, though. Don't pile up 10 reasons at once.
Right. I'm full. I ate earlier. I have to drive home soon.
Too many excuses start to sound like a little story you invented.
One honest, I'm so full, beats 5 nervous excuses every time.
One warm reason is plenty. The cook believes one honest line. She doubts a long list.
Let's try it live. I'll play the cook. Ready? Oh, come on. You've barely eaten anything.
I really couldn't, but it was lovely. Could I take some home instead?
See? She didn't flinch. Warm, clear, and the cook's feelings stay whole.
Now it's your turn at home. When the cook pushes, you answer out loud.
Here's the push. Just one more spoonful. I made it specially for you.
And your warm answer. Maybe later, I'm so full right now.
Don't whisper it like an apology. Let it sound genuinely kind.
A little smile in your voice does half the work. Tone matters as much as the words.
Try the take-home line one more time, nice and warm. Could I take some home instead?
Hear how it sounds like a thank you wearing a question?
And quick gut check. Which feels warmer? A flat no more or maybe later, I'm so full.
No contest. One pushes her away, the other pulls her closer.
And that's the real lesson hiding underneath all of these little phrases.
Because under every no thanks, there's a real person who cooked for you.
Can I tell you something I'm honestly not proud of?
Always.
A friend once cooked all afternoon for me, hours at the stove, and when she offered more, I gave her a flat no.
Just no? Nothing softer than that?
Just no. I watched her smile fade. The whole table went silent.
Oh, Dave.
I felt terrible for days. And it wasn't about the food at all.
Because she wasn't really asking about food, was she?
No. She was asking, did I make you happy? Did you feel cared for in my home?
That's what a second helping really means. It's love. shaped like a serving spoon.
And my flat no answered the wrong question. It sounded like I was saying no to her.
So when we soften it, we answer the real question. We say, yes, you did make me happy.
That's why a warm no isn't rude. It might be the kindest thing you say all night.
Think of one person who cooks for you. A parent, a friend, a neighbor.
Picture their face when you eat. That glow, you can keep it even when you say no.
That feeling, being fed by someone, that's belonging. You don't have to fake it to keep it.
A warm no says, I'm full and I'm still right here with you.
Here's what I've learned. Food at a friend's table is never just food.
It's someone saying, stay a little longer. Let me take care of you.
So a fake yes protects no one.
You sit there stuffed and miserable, and she never even learns that you cared.
But an honest, warm no keeps you close. It tells the truth and still holds the friendship.
You can be real and kind at the very same time. You never have to choose between them.
Honestly, the bravest thing isn't saying yes to everything.
It's caring enough to tell the truth and still make someone feel loved.
That takes more heart than any polite little lie ever could.
And the cook feels it. A real no with warmth lands softer than a fake yes.
She'd always rather hear the truth from someone who stays kind.
That's the whole heart of tonight. Small words, big care.
The words are small. What they protect is huge.
Your no can carry love. It just needs a thank you riding along beside it.
So the next time that spoon hovers over your plate, remember what you're really doing.
You're not turning down food. You're protecting a friendship.
And now you know exactly how. Warmly, honestly, every single time.
We've handed you the whole warm decline toolkit tonight.
So let's gather it all up and make sure every piece sticks with you.
Okay, here's everything in one armful. When you want to slow it down gently, you reach for, I'd love to, but,
When your plate is full and the cook is watching, you say, I'm so full. It was delicious, though.
and under every single no, you tuck a thank you, so the kindness rides along beside it.
That's it. That's the whole warm decline toolkit. 3 little phrases, and the awkward dinner moment is solved.
Remember the cook who looked so hurt? You'll never leave a friend feeling that way again.
Now it's your turn to try it for real. Here's the scene. A friend offers you a second helping, but you are completely full.
Write your warm no in the comments. Start with, I'd love to, but, or, I'm so full, it was,
Make your friend feel appreciated, not rejected. We read everyone, and we cannot wait to see your kind words.
you did something hard tonight. You learned to say no with love. That's a real achievement.
If this helped you, subscribe so you never miss us. Thank you for spending this time with us. We mean it.
Go be warmly, honestly you. See you next time.
Bye for now. Have a wonderful week.